Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Regency MXXL ceiling fan. Got the ceiling fan off of eBay from John Sells Fans, and he's on YouTube too, John Sells Fans. And I will be linking the original video of this fan in the description. Not sure where this light kit came from because it does not match. The pictures it looks like it did, but it's not textured. It's like kind of like a Hampton Bay's like answer to the Verde finish for like the Verde gazebos. So here's the light, and here's low. It's in a speckled black finish. I don't know if I showed that up already. You can see it's like speckled. I don't know what's better. I can see the fan better because it's kind of dark over here. Medium. Wobbles a little bit because the box is a little loose. I'll show you at the end of this video. So it has like kind of a nasty sway to it. Really flings that light chain around. Here's high. This fan has a new capacitor in it, so it flies. The old capacitor was probably bad, that's why it was replaced. Because I was looking at the wiring inside, and so it wasn't hard. It was like hardwired in. It wasn't like, you know, connected to it. I can't really see the fan. Because the fan is tight, it's the box, you can see the screws. I have to tighten that up, but yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.